Male infertility Part 3. Male infertility symptoms, health and lifestyle causes and environmental causes. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are all doing well. Today my video is about male infertility symptoms and causes. In the previous video I had discussed about what is male infertility. Before I start my topic, let me tell you a little bit about the male infertility that people have subscribed at us today. So up to 15% of couples are infertile. This means they are not able to conceive a child even though they have had frequent unprotected sexual intercourse for a year or longer. In over a third of these couples, male infertility play a role. Male infertility is due to low sperm production, abnormal sperm function, or blockages that prevent the delivery of sperm. Illness, injuries, chronic health problems, lifestyle choices and other factors can play a role in causing male infertility. Not being able to conceive a child can be stressful and frustrating, but a number of male infertility treatments are available. Symptoms. The main sign of male infertility is the inability to conceive a child. There may be no other obvious signs or symptoms. In some cases, however, an underlying problem such as an inherited disorder, hormonal imbalance, dilated veins around the testicle, or a condition that blocks the passage of sperm causes signs and symptoms. Although most men with male infertility don't notice symptoms other than the inability to conceive a child, signs and symptoms associated with male infertility include problems with sexual function, for example, difficulty with ejaculation or small volume of fluid ejaculated, reduced sexual desire or difficulty maintaining an erection, pain or swelling or a lump in the testicle area, recurrent respiratory infections, inability to smell, abnormal breast growth, decreased facial or body hair or other signs of a chromosomal or hormonal abnormality. A lower than normal sperm count, fewer than 15 million sperm per milliliter of semen, or a total sperm count of less than 39 million per ejaculate. Common signs of infertility in men. Number 1. Changes in sexual desire. A man's fertility is also linked with his hormone health. Change in virility, often governed by hormones, could indicate issue with fertility. Number 2. Testicle pains or swelling. There are several different conditions that could lead to pain or swelling in the testicles, many of which could contribute to infertility. Number 3. Problems maintaining erection. A man's ability to maintain an erection is often linked to these hormone levels. Reduced hormones may result, which could potentially translate into trouble conceiving. Number 4. Issues with ejaculation. Similarly, an inability to ejaculate is a sign that it might be time to visit a doctor. Number 5. Small firm testicles. The testes house a man's sperm, so testicle health is paramount to male fertility. Small or firm testicles could indicate potential issue that could be explored by a medical practitioner. Causes. Male infertility is a complex process. To get your partner pregnant, the following must occur. You must produce healthy sperm. Initially, this involves the growth and formation of the male reproductive organ during puberty. At least 1 year of testicle must be functioning correctly, and your body must produce testosterone and other hormones to trigger and maintain sperm production. Sperm have to be carried into the semen. Once semen are produced in the testicle, delicate tube transport them until they mix with semen and are ejaculated out of the penis. There needs to be enough sperm in the semen. If the number of sperm in your semen is low, it decreases the odds that one of your sperm will fertilize your partner egg. A low sperm count is fewer than 15 million sperm per milliliter of semen or fewer than 39 million per ejaculate. Sperm must be functional and able to move. If the movement, motility or function of your sperm is not abnormal, the sperm may not be able to reach or penetrate your partner's egg. Environmental causes. The male infertility is that our environment is contaminated by natural and synthetic chemicals. These chemicals could interact with the endocrine systems. People's exposure to chemical is thought to be extensive, especially to EDCs, which is supposed to alter the male reproductive tract. Overexposure to certain environmental elements such as heat, toxins and chemical can produce sperm production or sperm function. Specific causes include industrial chemicals, extended exposure to benzene, toluene, xylene, pesticide, herbicide, organic solvent, painting materials and lead may contribute to low sperm counts. Heavy metal exposure. Exposure to lead or other heavy metal also cause infertility. Radiations or X-rays. Exposure to radiation can reduce sperm production, though it will often eventually return to normal. With high doses of radiation, sperm production can be permanently reduced. Overheating the testicles. Elevated temperature impairs sperm production and function. Although studies are limited and are inconclusive, frequent use of saunas or hot tubs may temporarily impair your sperm count. Sitting for long periods, wearing tighter clothing or Working on a laptop computer for long stretches of time also increase the temperature in your scrotum and may slightly reduce sperm production. Health, lifestyle and other causes. Some other causes of male infertility include drug use. Anabolic steroid taken to stimulate muscle strength and growth can cause the testicle to shrink and sperm production to decrease. Use of cocaine or marijuana may temporarily reduce the number and quality of your sperm as well. Alcohol use. Drinking alcohol can lower testosterone levels, cause erectile dysfunction and decrease sperm production. Liver disease caused by excessive drinking may also lead to fertility problems. Tobacco smoking. Men who smoke may have a low sperm count than do those who don't smoke. Second-hand smoke also may affect male fertility. Emotional stress. Stress can interfere with certain hormones needed to produce sperm. Severe or prolonged emotional stress, including problems with fertility, can affect your sperm count. Depression. Research shows that the likelihood of pregnancy may be lower if a male partner has severe depression. In addition, depression in men may cause sexual dysfunction due to reduced libido, erectile dysfunction or delayed or inhibited ejaculation. Weight. Obesity can impair fertility in several ways, including directly impacting sperm themselves as well as by causing hormone changes that reduce male fertility. The treatment of infertility is treated after marriage. After a year, the children's song put in the tension. Often couples start their treatment. All these problems are in the male infertility, but you don't need to be worried about it. Yes, I have a good news for you. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakeem Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakeem with prolonged research. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% of courses is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer courses cure azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperm where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer course is a special and expensive courses, consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer course's unique formulation contains safe, natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the ingredients in Taseer courses highest quality and verified purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose courses, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Taseer courses has some special herbal dose quality to help to get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer courses and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer courses which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.